To clear specific app data and cache on your iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. In General, tap on iPhone Storage. In here, scroll down and from this app list, find out the app, which app data and cache you want to delete. So I'm just opening this Guitar Tuner app. Now all you have to need to clear data and cache, you have to offload the app. So offloading app, this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. And reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So all you have to need, tap on offload app, tap on offload app. Once the app successfully offloaded, it will also clear the app cache and cookies. Now we have to reinstall the app, so reinstall the app from here. And this is the only way to clear specific app data and cache on iPhone.